In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search emails faster in Outlook. Now, we all know that in our busy work days, finding a specific email in a crowded inbox can sometimes feel like searching for a needle in a haystack. But with a few simple steps, you can speed up your email search and increase your productivity in no time. First, let's begin by opening Outlook. If you're like most users, you probably have your Outlook application pinned to your taskbar or easily accessible on your desktop. Once Outlook is open, you're greeted by your familiar inbox interface. Next, direct your eyes to the top of the Outlook window. There, you'll find a search box prominently displayed. This search box is your gateway to quickly narrowing down those seemingly endless lists of emails. Clicking into this search box activates it, and you might even notice that it highlights, indicating it's ready to help you find what you're looking for. Now, with the search box activated, it's time to enter your search criteria. This can be just about anything related to the email you're trying to find. For instance, you can type a keyword that you remember from the email's body. This could be anything unique or specific that was mentioned in the email content. If you don't remember keywords, no worries. Outlook's search functionality is versatile. You can also search by the sender's name, which is particularly helpful if you recall who sent you the email, but can't quite remember other details. Just type in their first or last name, and Outlook will start filtering messages that match your input. Additionally, if you are looking for an email from a specific address, you can enter the email address in the search box. This is especially useful if you're corresponding with multiple people sharing the same first or last name, and you want to make sure you find emails from that exact contact. Lastly, you have the option of searching by subject line. If there's a specific topic or project title that was used in the subject, typing that information can help you zero in on the email you need in a snap. As you type, notice how Outlook conveniently displays a list of emails that match your search criteria. This real-time search refinement is a huge time saver, allowing you to spot the email you need almost immediately. Once you've found the email you are looking for, simply click on it to open and read. By becoming familiar with the search box and effectively utilizing keywords, senders, email addresses, and subject lines, you will be able to navigate your inbox with ease and save valuable time. Keep practicing these simple yet powerful strategies, and your email searching will become faster, smoother, and much more efficient. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.